guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please take a look around at my other videos. I am a Southern cook, but I don't limit myself to that. And I think my instructions are for all levels of cooks. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today we're going to be cooking Lazy Man's vegetable soup in the Instant Pot with hamburger meat. And the only thing you're going to need for this is I've got 2 pounds of hamburger meat. I did buy the grass-fed ground beef because it was on sale. I've got a large onion and a small onion chopped up. I've got the last of my garlic, minced garlic that was in the jar. So I'll be using fresh from here on out. I'm not sure how much I'm going to use, but this is generic V8 juice. It's the Bilo version of it. Salt and pepper, of course, and then I've got 2 cans of mixed vegetables, some diced potatoes, some sliced carrots, and another can of green beans, which I have drained. The choice that you put on your veggies is totally up to you. So I'm going to get this started on saute, so I can start cooking my ground beef. I hope y'all are doing okay. I took a physical and mental health day yesterday. I just was not feeling well. I think it's because, believe it or not, here in South Carolina, I went outside to go to the doctor today for my monthly checkup, and there was pollen all over the car. And my azaleas are burning. It freezes at night somewhat. 32. It doesn't get lower than 30. Not lately. I think we had one night where it did, a couple earlier in the month. But that didn't last long. But it does, we get freeze warnings. And then it's up in the 60s, 70s, and 80s during the day. I don't normally buy any ground beef from Walmart, but I don't mind getting the grass-fed. I don't think there's any of the red slime in it, hopefully not. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to brown this, and I will bring y'all back whenever it's done, whenever it's browned. And you're also going to need salt and pepper. Tony also just told me that I said my azaleas were burning, but I mean they are blooming. They've got little bitty blooms on them. So that's South Carolina for you. Alright, I'm getting this going. Be back shortly. This is almost basically all browns. And there's not much juice in. That's why I didn't want to add the onions just yet. So I wanted to see if I needed to drain it. Now I'm putting the onions in. And let those cook down a minute. And go ahead and add some salt.
Let's not fling it this time.
There's no brown bits at the bottom. Now I'm going to cook these a minute and I'll be right back. But what I'll be doing is after they get translucent, I will be adding the garlic to it and just stirring it into it real good. Then we'll bring you back. Okay, I added the garlic. I'm going to go ahead and add some pepper. Not a whole lot. That's too much. Now I'm just going to add these veggies. Like I said, I did drain them. Now you can use, like I said, any vegetables that you want. Combination. And you can also use tomato juice instead of the vegetable juice. I'm also not adding any tomatoes to this, but that's just because my man's not big on tomatoes. Oops, sorry. Now I'm going to stir this up before I add the juice to it. That's a lot of soup, but this will be freezing good. Then you put
stick.
Yep. And you can use, like I said, any combination, actually. And I think I'm going to be using this whole thing. I think I'm going to add a cup of water to this, too, just to be on the safe side. I don't think I'm over the level. I keep hitting that, I'm sorry.
Oopsie.
Isn't there a level thing in here? Boy, I'm bad stupid, I don't see it. Hopefully I'm not over it. But it's not going to be cooking that long. Alright, make sure your vent is sealed. And you just want to hit meat and stew. Wait, stupid. Cut it down to 12 minutes. And then we're going to do a natural release on it for about 10 minutes, and then we'll bring you back. In the meantime, I'm going to be making some of my honey cornbread. So, and I'll include that recipe at the end screen. Be back shortly. Hey guys, before I get started, I wanted to talk to y'all about something. Wanted to ask for a prayer request. Tina Dandridge, she is a fellow YouTuber, if you're familiar with the Angry Grandpa Show. I mean, some people watch, I don't know what all went on with her, but I don't know her personally, but she lives about 35 minutes away from me in Somerville. I want y'all to say a big prayer for her and keep her in your prayers. She had one of her legs amputated, I believe yesterday or today, so keep her in your thoughts. Okay, before we get started on the good stuff, I made my honey cornbread, and I bought this pan for Christmas. And it's already divided out. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I can't make my normal amount, and it's a pain in the butt to get in there, but hey, it's a cutie. Alright, let's look at this. That looks good. And the smell is, oh wow, amazing. So let's dish some of this up. And it's full of hamburger meat too. I know a lot of this is going in the freezer, so. Alright, there is our Instant Pot Lazy Man's vegetable soup with hamburger meat in it. And my honey cornbread, of course, but I'll include a link to that on the end screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what I did, give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Tell me what y'all like to cook on these cold winter nights. Not that it's real winter here in South Carolina, but hey. And share it out on social media. Help my channel grow. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. Alright guys, supper's ready. Talk to y'all later.